Welcome to BuildBlock's digital product catalog. BuildBlock provides a wide variety of insulating concrete form products and accessories. Our one-stop shopping experience helps to make every job simple, cohesive, and efficient. This video is part of our digital product catalog, which is a series of videos that will cover our entire product line.
In this video, we'll cover BuildRadius, our family of radius forms for use in ICF walls and pool construction. The BuildRadius forms are a unique addition to the BuildBlock 6-inch concrete core product line. Available in 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20-foot arcs, these forms make curved ICF walls as easy as stacking and bracing.
The 2 and 4 foot radius forms create a complete 90-degree corner with one block. The radius forms for the 8, 12, 16, and 20-foot arcs are shipped as smaller 2-foot-long forms to create large curves without sacrificing on shipping space. BuildRadius utilizes the same strong web available in our standard product line and comes fully equipped with all of BuildBlock's standard markings and attachment points.
The 2 and 4 foot forms also include cut lines with specific degree markings on the outside of the block to assist in cuts for specific arc radiuses. Each block also displays its core size and arc length on the face of the block. This can be very helpful when working with shorter forms whose arcs are harder to differentiate.
BuildBlock designed our radius system on an arc radius. We did this to maintain the 6-inch web spacing on the outside curve of the blocks for easy attachment and great strength. An arc is just a portion of a curve and signifies how long it takes our blocks to turn 90 degrees in a given distance. For example, a 2-foot radius block turns 90 degrees in 2 feet. The same for our 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20-foot forms. The 2 and 4 foot forms also include a 12-inch straight section to assist with the offset. Other sizes are also offset 12 inches. Because of this, the actual radius of the blocks are slightly different. Please refer to the dimensions in the BuildRadius product information when designing your home or pool. BuildRadius is designed to ease construction of energy-efficient pools, Southwest-style homes, bay windows, circular staircases, and provide options when designing unique areas in ICF homes. From bucking to bracing to decking, finishes, and specialty applications, BuildBlock has everything you need to make your next ICF job a success. For more information on BuildBlock products, visit our website and online store via buildblock.com. For more videos in this series, as well as industry-leading training and education, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted.